Hi there. I hope you're making plans to attend this year's EMDR conference. I'm Shirley Schmidt. My presentation is about a very important topic, preparing attachment-wounded clients for EMDR. This topic is important because so many of our clients have attachment wounds that leave them too dysregulated and too dissociative to tolerate trauma processing. When I began my EMDR practice almost 30 years ago, I was not good at preparing these clients. Actually, I didn't even know what attachment wounding was. And that led to a few colossal treatment failures. But it also helped me realize I was missing an important piece of the trauma treatment puzzle. So I went on a quest to find the missing piece. I discovered the missing piece was about unmet developmental needs, especially unmet attachment needs. And I discovered that when we meet the emotional needs of wounded parts of self that are stuck in childhood, it helps heal attachment wounds. This observation became the foundation of my ego state therapy, the Developmental Needs Meeting Strategy, or DNMS. We can use DNMS interventions in the preparation phase of EMDR to help dysregulated, dissociative, attachment-wounded clients finally become emotionally stable enough for trauma processing. I hope you'll attend my presentation so I can tell you all about it.